Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5, singular and plural nouns. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. They can be shown with a number like 1, 2, more, many, etc. For example, one bird, 6 birds. A singular noun names means one person, one place, one thing, one idea. For example, girl, one, one school, one pencil, and one creativity. A plural noun names means more than one. For example, more than one person, more than one places, more than one thing, more than one idea. For example, girls, schools, pencils, religions. We add s to form the plural of most nouns. Girl, two girls. We put s after the name girl. So it will become plural, girls. Pencil, pencils. Here we have put s at the end of pencil. So the plural of pencil is pencils. If a noun ends in s, double s, sh, ch, x, so we will put es to make it plural. For example, ses, double s, es, sh, es, ch, es, x, es. It will become plural. S, double s, sh, ch and x are singular forms. And if we put es at the end of this singular form, then it will become plural form. For example, fox, two foxes. Boss, two bosses. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, drop the y and add ies to its singular form in order to change it to its plural form. For example, hobby. Here b is consonant plus y. So the plural of hobby will become hobbies. We have to remove y and add ies. Same way, bakery. R is consonant plus y. So we will remove y, it will become bakeries. Remove y and put ies. Third one is fly. L is consonant plus y. So the plural of fly is flies. Like this way, if there is consonant plus y, so we have to remove y and have to put ies at the end. If a noun ends in a vowel plus y, change it to plural by adding s after the y. For example, boy. Here O is vowel and plus Y. So the plural of boy will become boys. We do not have to remove anything. Do not have to remove Y. We have to put only S at the end. Like this way, play. Here A is vowel plus Y. So the plural of play is plays. Third one is monkey. Here E is vowel and Y. So the plural of monkey is monkeys. Some plural nouns are irregular and their spellings need to be memorized. For example, child to children, man to man. The plural of child, we have to add REN at the end. The plural of man, we have to remove A and will put E. The plural of foot is fit. We remove double O and will put double E. This type of plural nouns are irregular, so we have to memorize it. Nouns ending in F and FE form their plural by changing the F and FE into VES. For example, leaf. The plural of leaf is leaves. We remove F and will put VES instead of F to make it plural form. Knife. Here at the end we can see FE. So we will remove it and will put VES. So it will become knives. Same way, shelf. We will remove F and will put VES. It will become shelves. Wife. We will remove FE and will put VES. So the plural of Y is wives. However, some words ending in F form their plural in the normal way, like roof to roofs. We do not have to remove anything. Chef, chefs. Most nouns ending in O form their plural by adding es or s to the singular. For example, tomato. Plural of tomato is tomatoes. We do not have to remove anything, just have to put es or s at the end. Mango. The plural of mango is mangoes. Auto. The plural of auto is autos. Photo. The plural of photo is photos. Some nouns have no singular form. There, for example, trousers, spectacles, beans, news, etc. Some nouns have no plural forms. For example, fish, ship, bison, shrimp, etc. Now we will understand the concept of singular and plural with your text exercise. We have take few examples here. So the first question is, rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined nouns from singular to plural. Here underlined names are singular, we have to convert it into plural. First one is your canopy example. So we start with second. The child went to the party. We have to convert singular form child to plural. Answer is the children went to the party. Here children is plural of child. Third one is we kept the vase on the shelf. We have to change vase and shelf. Answer is we kept the vases on the shelves. Vases is plural of vase. Shelves is plural of shelf. Fourth one, Meera played with her brother in the park. Here we have to convert brother into plural form. Meera played with her brothers in the park. Here brothers is plural of brother. Question 2. Change the words in color into their plural form. We have to change colored name into their plural form. First one is we cut the loaf of bread with the knife. So here two names are colored, loaf and knife. So the plural of loaf is loaves and the plural of knife is knives. Second one, we made a soup with tomato and potato. Here tomato and potatoes are colored names. So the plural of tomato is tomatoes and the plural of potato is potatoes. Question 3. Change the words in color into their singular form. Opposite of previous exercise. First one is the boys went to drawing classes. Here boys and classes both are colored name. So we will convert it into singular form. Boys to boy, classes to class. Boys is plural form and boy is singular. Same, classes is plural form and classes is singular. Second one, the wolves attacked the goats. Here wolves and goats are colored names. So we will convert it into singular form. Wolves is plural and wolf is singular. Goats is plural and got is singular. Next is complete the sentences with suitable plural form. First is your text example. So we start with second. There are 3 blanks in the park. So benches. Answer is 3 benches in the park. The blank are in their blank. So answer is the students are in their classrooms. Fourth one is at the shop I will buy some blank. Answer is biscuits. At the shop I will buy some biscuits. Where are my blank and blank? Answer is shoes and socks. Where are my shoes and socks? Like this way you have to complete your text exercise. Thank you.